As you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, we have a small problem with the main water line coming into the house. First step was to get it all dug up and exposed and get us a little real estate to make a repair. The water was coming out of the ground not too far from this location, so we got lucky in locating the actual source of the leak. Could have been way worse and way down the line underneath cement, so we got lucky in a sense. Also lucky in the fact that I got the best plumber in the world on this job. And my plumber thought it was a good idea to try and get me wet. Well, that'll teach me to stand too close.
Weber pipe cutters right here.
Now we're just disconnecting the pipe clamps there. There's two holding it on at this side of the joint. Now we're just using a couple pair of channel locks to loosen that existing tubing and pull it off of there. It was really being stubborn. It was just kind of spinning on itself, so we decided to give it a little help with the torch here. That'll make that poly a little bit more malleable and easier to pull off of there.
Okay, so now what we got to do is put a coupling there to there.
Amazingly enough, we got all our parts in one trip to the hardware store. Got some pipe clamps, the barb fitting, an extra length of poly, and the clamping tool as well. All for 38 bucks. We did take that existing piece of pipe we pulled off to the store so we could match it up correctly. Actually bought two lengths of this just in case we goofed the first one up, but we wound up not needing the second one. just slowly turning on the water main valve to avoid any kind of water hammer, slowly creeping it on there, checking for leaks. Now we reinstalled the riser and just filled it all back in. Special thanks to my favorite plumber, Bradley, for doing such a great job on this. Here it is the next day. Hope this helped you guys out. Thanks for watching, everybody.